How to change your title on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your title on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click complete your profile, and then scroll down until you find here this one title. Now you can change it, it's easy, just click on it and type here any title you want, and that's it. Just save it and go back, it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.